All right, let's make some insect taxidermy. You'll need large plastic bugs, wood cutouts, gold spray paint, black acrylic paint, foam brush, glue gun, and a drop cloth. Paint the bugs on a drop cloth in a well-ventilated area. Spray with your gold spray paint. You'll need 2 coats. Aren't they gorgeous? Okay, now it's time to paint your wood cutouts with your black craft paint. Add the glue to the back of your bugs. I used my glue gun, and then you're going to press onto your wood cutout and hold for a second. I decided to add a distressed gold edge for dimension. I just think it looks so much better. I love how they turned out. I love it. They look great with my big Swedish clock. I may leave them there year round. Visit Today's Creative Life for more creative ideas. Life is more fun when it's creative.